Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on travel costs with Airbnb step by step clearly. Begin by researching your travel destination thoroughly. Identify popular neighborhoods where you'd like to stay. Use Airbnb's search feature to narrow down your options. Input your travel dates and the number of guests to find available listings. Filter results by price to stay within your budget. Look for properties that offer discounts for longer stays. Carefully read the description for each listing. Check for amenities that are important to you, such as a kitchen or laundry facilities. Pay attention to the cancellation policy and other house rules. Examine guest reviews and ratings to gauge the host's reliability. Consider reaching out to hosts with any questions before booking. Compare prices with nearby hotels to see how much you're saving. Look for special offers or last-minute deals on the Airbnb website. If you plan to visit multiple destinations, consider booking a larger property to accommodate. Review any extra fees, such as cleaning or service charges, before finalizing your booking. Once you've selected your ideal property, proceed to book it. Secure your booking by making a deposit if required. After booking, keep communication open with your host for any pre-arrival queries. Plan your travel itinerary and budget accordingly. Take advantage of the local knowledge your host may provide for further savings. During your stay, consider cooking meals to save on dining expenses. Explore free or low-cost activities as recommended by your host. Following these steps can help you maximize your travel experience while minimizing costs with Airbnb. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.